Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out this video. So today I'm going to show you how I did this curly sew-in with a little bit of leave out. I really like the way that this hair feels. It feels really soft and silky, and overall I think my hair blends very well with it. I'm super pleased with the way that it turned out. So I'll probably keep this in for about 3 weeks to 1 month. So let's go ahead and jump into this video so that I can show you exactly what I did to get this look. So whenever I do any kind of a sew-in, I always pre-cut several strands of thread. And as you can see here, I'm just gently relaxing my hand, finding a loop for a piece of thread, and I'm just gently pulling it. For me, it makes the process go a lot faster. And typically I will just grab a piece of thread when I need it. But here I'm just pulling several pieces at one time so that you can see that it easily comes apart. If you want more information about the braid pattern that I used here, I do have a very detailed video that shows you how I cornrow my hair. I'll definitely leave the link for that video at the end of this video, but it's definitely very descriptive. And if you also want additional specific information about how I install my wefts when I'm doing a sew-in, I do have a very detailed tutorial on my sew-in process as well. So I'll definitely leave the link for that video at the end of this one as well. So I'm using these clips here to hold the hair in place because I'm going back to some braids and I'm actually adding more hair where I feel it should look more full. I didn't want to use the entire 2 packs of hair because it's starting to get hot in my area. So I'm also starting to work out more as well. So I do want a full look, but I don't want to have a lot of hair in my head. And also the way that I have it pinned up here is the same way that I will pin up each section when I'm going through using grease to moisturize my scalp as well. So I'm putting on a bonnet here because I am going to soak my real hair, and I didn't want the actual tracks to get wet and have it just dripping. So I'm kind of using the bonnet as a shield, so that way I'll only get my hair wet. If you want more information and detail about how I do my twist outs, I also got you covered with a video with that as well. So here I ended up with 7 twists total, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and 3 going towards the back. With the beauty supply store that I got this hair from, I wish they had the same brand of hair, but just in a coarse texture. I've done Bohemian sew-ins in the past, and when I've used coarse hair, my hair blended perfectly with the weave. It was definitely undetectable. So with this sew-in, my hair does blend very well, and I feel that you have to look very hard and long to actually see the difference between the actual 2 textures of hair. But other than that, I think it's a great quality. Would I buy it again? Yes. However, if I had a coarse texture to choose from, I would definitely go with the coarse hair hands down because my hair is coarse. I will retwist my hair every couple of nights and go ahead and wet and add more product as needed. But I noticed that with the weave, the twist, they are a lot thinner than my twist. So instead of using the 7 twists total, how I use this time, when I'm ready to retwist my hair, I'll probably do about 12 to 14 more twists. So that way my hair will be thin, just like the strands of hair that you see here. So definitely feel free to subscribe. If you choose to do so, don't forget to turn on your notification so that you don't miss any content that I drop. Also feel free to like and share this video and leave a comment if you wish. And definitely check out some of my other videos. I have more hair tutorials. I have some videos that are for like DIY projects. I'm into music. I have some food recipes. So, you know, everybody gotta eat, right? So like if you're buying a house, so I just have a lot of different videos. It's not just about hair. So definitely check me out. And with that being said, thanks for watching. Bye.